Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 26th to August the 28th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So, Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Parang sinasabi natin dito, bakit parang kilalang kilala na kita? No? Bakit parang kumbaga ino-observe natin, no? Bakit kabago-bago lang nitong taong ito or hindi naman siya pala kwento, no? Kung hindi man siya bago, hindi siya pala kwento. Pero bakit nandun yung pakiramdam na ang dami-dami, pakiwari ko, ang dami-dami kong alam sa'yo. Ang dami-dami kong yung feeling na magkilalang kilala kita. Hindi dahil sa nagmamaro ka, no? Hindi yung parang nagmamarunong. Ikaw din nahihiwagaan. Kasi bakit sinasabi mo na minsan iniisip ko, itong tao. Siguro ayaw niya ng palaging binibiro or ayaw niya ng color na black, no? Black pa naman ang suot ko. So, sa'yo, tapos pag tinanong mo siya, yun naman yung sasabihin niya. There is actually something magical that you cannot explain. Parang sinasabi mo dito, I've known you somewhere. Have we met before? There's also things na parang playing deja vu, no? Pero kahit ganun pa man, kahit hindi siya masyadong palasalita, palakwento, no? Ang lakas nung chemistry ba? Ang lakas ng attraction na bakit alam ko sa sarili ko, minahal ko na siya, mahal ko siya, or mahal ko na siya. No? There's something about emotional investment right off the bat. No? With the Two of Cups and the Temperance, so we try to control ourselves. No? So parang sinabi natin dito, hindi naman kasi ko ganitong tao, no, na madaling ma-indulge. Pero hindi ko kasi ma-explain. I usually always, use my head, not my emotion. I'm always rational. Pero hindi ko makontrol itong tibok ng puso ko, no? Hindi ko makontrol. Parang nandito yung laging maalagain, which is very Virgo. No? So, gusto ko siyang alagaan. Lagi ako nag-cater or nag-slot ng time para tingnan yung Facebook niya. No? Or para ipagluto siya. No? Or hatidan siya ng kung ano. No? Or mag-allot ng time para isipin siya before going to bed, no? Before you sleep. With the Three of Wands and the Nine of Swords. So, Virgo, I think na medyo affected na itong ating pagtulog, no? Dahil sa mga misteryong nangyayari. Parang mang horror etong reading, but not actually. Kasi there's the emotion is so intense that even you yourself cannot explain it. You're waiting for what? With the Three of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Eight of Cups. So it felt like nagkaroon kayo ng separations or this connection slows down, yun yung kung bakit tayo medyo sleepless, no? So parang you're missing the person, you're missing the flow of the connection. You probably have a high expectations in the connection and then it slows down. So you're kind of worried um, because you don't want to be in separation with the person, right? So are we overthinking in here? Kasi with the Eight of Cups, we're creating scenarios in our head. Wala pa man, nandun ka na, no? I'm not saying that this is not helping, but I feel like what it is that's going in your head with the Three of Pentacles, uh, the Six of Pentacles, the Devil card, and the Empress. You're ganun mo na siya ka-in love. So you're thinking if your emotion will be reciprocated. You're thinking if this offers of yours, kung meron ba tayong, or investment, meron tayong sabihin natin mapapala, no? Meron bang balik, no? Itong investment na ito sa atin. Uh, the Devil card and the Empress, hindi rin naman natin maitatanggi na attractive talaga itong si person. Are you also thinking na bakit nag-slow down itong relationship ninyo, yung connection ninyo? Are you thinking that your person is doing something behind your back? Are you thinking that they are talking with someone else, or probably flirting with someone else? Let's clarify the Devil card. Kasi parang I'm seeing self-sabotage, no? Self-saboteur, no? Sabi, self-saboteur. Na parang ito yung wala namang issue, pero sa isip mo, gumagawa ka ng issue. Tapos, nahihirapan ka matulog nang wala namang confirmation. Was the Devil card, the Four Cups, and the Tower. So, I think that this is really an overthinking. No? Para kasing konting kibot, no? Let's say nakalimutan kang i-message. No? Usually, let's say you have formats na every 7 p.m. No, nag-start na kayong mag-message. Na bago. Yes, there may be changes, and changes are sometimes good. Changes are also expansion. Pero nag-freak out tayo sa isang bagay na wala pa man tayong dahilan, no? Wala pa man tayong proof. Pero sobrang dami na agad na pumasok na senaryo sa isip mo. Ayaw mo naman siya tanungin. Or kapag tinanong mo naman siya, sumagot siya, ayaw mo namang paniwala, no? Yung sinasabi niya. Bakit tayo ganon? So let's check here. No, but if your question is actually, does your person's playing something or playing behind your back, I'm not actually seeing any, kumbaga, emotional attachment with someone but you. I think that somewhat nire-reciprocate, no? Nire-reciprocate din naman ni person itong efforts natin in some way. Hindi lang tayo sanay na merong mga pabato-bato ng mga changes. I think it's much better if you would ask the person, and if the person said something, hold on to that, no? Para kasi wala tayong tiwala kay person, no? You light up my world, and do you miss me the way I miss you? For a few numbers of you, there might be some separation tulad ng sinabi ko, no? But I feel like the separation, if there is separation, this is very temporary. And it felt like to me that things is gonna come back to normal if there is a fight. Not I'm seeing reconciliation anyway. Um, but things expect changes from your person. No? Kasi I think that you are heading into another level of commitment. No? Kaya medyo dapat open din tayo sa mga changes, nagtatanong na rin tayo, no? Huwag nating sarilinin kasi we're actually um, jumping into a rabbit hole and we don't know where this hole is going to lead us. Kaya it's much better to huwag kang mahihiyang magtanong ika nga, no? Ni Madam Susan Roses. Sumalangit nawa. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Pisces, Cancer. What I am also seeing in here is Sagittarius, Scorpio, Capricorn, of course, Makakapwa, Virgo, Taurus. So this is your reading, Virgo. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po'y nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung di nyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kilalang-kilala nyo po yung sarili ninyo, Virgo, no? So, alam nyo, no, kung masasatisfy kayo sa sagot na yes or no. Kung hindi naman, ano pang ginagawa nyo? Dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating description box. Nandun po yung link ng website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. No? Sa website po na yon, makikita nyo agad yung question form. No? Ibaba nyo lang ng konti yung mga QR codes, and the QR codes are designated. No? You're gonna see how much per question, the name, the number, no, for your reference. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So makikita nyo dun sa QR code, no. So actually, yung 4 question discounted na, may libre pa na isa. So that's, you might want to take advantage of it. Kasi malamang iibahin ko yun, no? Or i-change ko siya into something. But take advantage hanggat nandun pa siya. So, if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box, no? Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali at gusto nyo manalo ng free reading, no? Free personal reading, you can report those fake accounts na nandun po sa description box and then take a screenshot of it, tapos send nyo po sa designated email, no? Para po dun po tayo bubunot ng winner. Ayan. So, Virgo, kung hinahanap po ninyo itong mga readings about exes, nandun na po siya sa Facebook, no? Kung hindi nyo mahanap yung Facebook, nandun din po siya sa question form, makikita nyo yung mga icons ng social media accounts, no? Click nyo na lang siya, i-route na po kayo agad doon sa ating either Facebook, TikTok, no, Instagram, what have you. So this is your reading, Virgo. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po, no? Sa susunod na rin. Goodbye.